जय हरे, हरे विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल जय हरे।
Pundalik was once cruel and careless. He did not respect his parents. But one day he realized serving parents is the greatest service to God. From that day he began serving them with love and devotion. One day, as Pundalik was serving his parents, Lord Vitthal himself appeared at his doorstep. But Pundalik did not leave his parents' feet. Instead he offered the Lord a brick to stand and say gently, "Please wait, O Lord, let me finish my service." Lord Vitthal was pleased with Pundalik's devotion, so he stood on the brick and waited. And still he stands there today at Pandharpur, blessing every devotee who comes with love. Pundalik showed us that serving our parents is the best way to God. Now, my friends of grade 7 will Said and Abdul, let us welcome them. पंढरीनाथ महाराज